Hello! Today we're going to talk about two different types of questions. And you have to know that by the end of this video, you will be able to use them. You will be able to ask and answer easily, inshallah. I am your teacher, Hana Yaghi, and our class objectives for today's lesson are to differentiate between short and long answers and to identify WH questions. But before we start, you have to know that these two types are yes-no questions and WH questions. What is the difference between them? Let's see. Yes-no questions actually are questions that we answer with yes or no. So we have to answer the questions with yes or no, like in the following example here. Did she study her lessons? If the answer is yes, then we have to say yes, she did. But if the answer is no, then we have to say no, she didn't. And of course, we add not here because no only takes the negative form. But you must ask yourself, why did we ask here with did? I will tell you why. If a sentence or a statement is in the past tense, like here, she studied her lessons, and we want to change that past sentence into a question, then you have to know that you have to do two things. The first thing is to write did in the beginning of the sentence, and the second thing is to change the past tense into present tense. So the first thing is to add did and change the verb into present. The second example, does he sleep early? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't, if the answer is no. Okay, why did we ask here with does? Because if a sentence is in a present form and the subject here is singular, like he, then the verb should take s, because singulars take s with the verb, like he sleeps early. And if you want to change like this sentence into a question, then we have to start that question with does, and we have to drop the s from the verb, because the verb here is infinitive, no s. And the last example is, do you like swimming? If the answer is no, then no, I don't. But if the answer is yes, yes, I do. I hope this type is clear for you now. Let's move on to WH questions. WH questions has many question words, such as why, who, when, what, where, which. Did we miss anything? Yes, we missed how. How is a different word. Why it is a different? Because all of these words, as you can see, start with WH, except how. And it is a different word because it can take many adjectives, such as how long, and of course we use it to ask about the length of something or a period of time, and we can say how many, and here we use it to ask about a number of a thing, and we use it only with countable nouns, and we can say how much, and here we use it to ask about a quantity or an amount of something, and of course we use how much only with uncountable nouns. So again, how is a different word, is a different question word because it doesn't start with WH like the rest, okay? And it takes many adjectives. Now, let's see how to use